Jess, it was a frustrating performance, but nonetheless a good performance from the girls.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the second game here is always the hardest because you have such a short turnaround from the first game. But yeah, it was frustrating. We couldn't quite get our attacking game going today, which is a shame. But defensively, I thought we were strong and again showed that we're a really hard team to beat. So that's a huge positive to take. I think the Czech are really dangerous from set plays, and they were always going to pose a threat from there. But like you say, Laura was fantastic and came and took everything. So she really nullified that threat for them, which was great for us. You know, we've grown. You can see that from our performance against Hungary, and again this performance today. We're growing, and we just got to keep moving forward and taking the positives and working on the things today that probably we didn't do well enough and we need to get better at. But that's normal from this tournament. You're going to have to take things like that going forward. So all in all, I think 2 great games and 2 great results.
And that's the Republic of Ireland on Monday. What are your thoughts on the next fixture?
Yeah, look, I think it's going to be a good game. I think after today, both teams will have 2 days rest, which is nice. And I think then, you know, hopefully we can get back to the way that we want to play properly, cause some threats, and I think whoever wins that will probably go on to potentially win the group, which is something that we want to do. So, you know, we'll rest up now. Recovery is important, and then we'll go for Ireland on Monday.